Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Cook with Heart. So our today's recipe is Aloo all potato cutlets. This is very simple and authentic recipe. These potato cutlets are very famous street food of India, crispy from outside and soft and juicy from inside. This perfect combination of potato cutlets are sizzling to everyone's taste buds. So without wasting time, let us start this original potato cutlet recipe. To make potato cutlets, here we have made boiled potatoes. This is the chilled potatoes. We have to use chilled potatoes to get crispy and crunchy potato cutlets. So here I grated potatoes, 4 large potatoes I used here. So firstly we add salt in this potato. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the quantity according to you. Now we add some chopped mint, which increase taste of our potato cutlet, some fresh coriander leaves, and some chopped green chilies. This is really optional. If you want to use, you can go, but if you don't want to use, you can totally skip it. Lastly, we add 1/2 teaspoon of rock salt, which increase taste, 2 tablespoons of semolina, which will absorb extra moisture and give very crispiness to our tikki or potato cutlets. Next we add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, which give a great warming to our potato cutlets. Next we add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. This increases taste of our tikki, but this is completely optional. If you don't have this, you can also go with red chili powder. Mix them all really well. This is the final step to our potato cutlets. Mixing them all really well is very important. Knead it for a while. Do not add a little bit of water. So our dough is completely ready. Now grease your hands and start preparing tikkis. You can go with large size or small size according to you. So to prepare the cutlets, firstly take some dough, round it really well, flatten this dough from center. To clear edges, roll this tikki or cutlet over the plate so that we get clear edges. So our tikki or cutlet is completely ready. Now it's time to prepare the rest of the tikkis likewise. Our cutlets are ready, so it's time to fry them. Here I have preheated oil, so it's time to check our oil. So to check the oil, here we place a small ball of dough. Dough is floating and it's bubbling, but oil is steady. Let's put our tikkis or cutlets inside this oil. Let's fry this tikki till it becomes crispy and golden. Our potato cutlets are ready, so it's time to serve it. Here I am serving it with some turmeric sauce, green chili sauce, and some sour and sweet fresh yogurt. You can serve. Our cutlets are so perfect and it is looking so tasty. To increase its taste and look, here we are adding some chopped coriander leaves. This is completely optional. If you want, you can go, but if you don't like coriander leaves, you can totally skip it. You can serve our crispy and crunchy tikkis are looking so perfect. It is so tasty. You can show the crispness of the tikkis or potato cutlets. Our cutlets are ready. You can show the crispness of this potato cutlet. It's just looking so tasty and it is so beautiful. Soft from inside. You can show the inside texture which is so perfect. So it's time to taste it. It tasted so delicious and so tasty. So to justify this recipe, give them a try. And let me know in the comment section below that how this recipe turned out to you. If you like the recipe, give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe Cook with Heart English. Thank you for watching.